So today we're at Southern Manufacturing. We're visiting a customer, MGS Technical Plastics, who've just gone through a management buyout, who've been using WinMan since about 2017. I'm here with Judson Smythe, Managing Director. I'm just going to ask him a few questions. First of all, congratulations on completing the MBO. What does this milestone mean for you personally and the future of MGS Technical Plastics?
Thanks very much. The milestone is a great one. Firstly, it's a culmination of a lifelong plan to own and manage my own business. And so it's been a fantastic achievement, and the team are really thrilled about it. In terms of the focus on the business, this really gives us a chance to take the business in the direction that we want to take it. We have been managing it for a long time as the sort of active directors. And so this just gives us that extra bit of security over it and its future. Yeah.
And Judson, how has WinMan ERP helped you gain better visibility and control across operations such as production, stock and financials?
Steve, it always comes down to that word data. If you haven't got good data, you've got nothing at all in terms of running a manufacturing business. So for us, we have generated reports that work well for our business in line with our KPIs. And we're able to pull that down, sort of make quick analysis of where we stand in terms of stock, all those types of things, and then make decisions about how we move forward. So for us, it's a fundamental.
As a plastics manufacturer operating in a competitive market, how important is having an ERP system that can adapt as the business evolves?
Thanks, Steve. A good question. We are currently undergoing some changes. We're having to add on an EDI system, and we can do that with WinMan inside the same environment. And so that's hugely convenient for us, not having to go out and try and find a new environment that we have to operate within.
So why did MGS originally choose WinMan ERP, and what stood out compared to other ERP solutions you considered?
Thanks. We looked through a myriad of different systems for businesses of our size and the requirements that we needed. We whittled it down to a few competitors that we sort of took further forward, and WinMan just stood out really amongst the crowd, particularly around the user functionality. It was intuitive, and so I think good software applications are intuitive, and you sort of think, I need to go from here to here, how do I get there? If you can't figure that out logically, then the system is going to struggle. WinMan has that sort of logical pathway where you can go from A to B through the ERP system and navigate your way. That makes training new people very easy. And so for me, it was an obvious choice in the end.
And finally, Judson, what advice would you give to other manufacturing leaders considering an MBO or reviewing their ERP systems as part of a growth strategy?
It's a good question, Steve. I think that anybody reviewing the possibility for an MBO or any sort of acquisition needs to understand that data is critical. You have to know your numbers. Everything is based upon the numbers. And so if you haven't got an ERP system in that business, you need to get one first, get the data stable, and then move forward from there.
Excellent. Thank you very much for your time today. It's been excellent, and thanks for the kind words you've said about our system.
No problem.
Been a pleasure.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers.